Hi, welcome back. I'm assuming that if you're still watching this video, it's because you want to continue with the next part. Our thread is exiting from the A. We are going to sew through the B and through the wire guardian. Your thread doesn't have to be exiting the same way that it's exiting in mine. You're just gonna find that a way. You need to be exiting out of this A. You are going to sew down through these 3 beads. We are going to sew through the A, sew down through the B and through the crystal. We are going to sew down through the V, sew through the A, through the B, through the B, and through the next A. We are going to pick up our longer piece. You want to pick up 1 B, 1 crystal, and 1 B. Bring them down. Our thread is exiting from the B. We are going to sew through the first A. We are going to continue through 2 B's, through the A, sew through 2 B's, and we are going to sew through the second A. We are going to pick up 1 B. We are going to sew through the crystal, pick up 1 B, and sew through the next A. As you can see, it's the same step. Continue adding your crystals, and I'll be right back to show you how to finish it. I am done adding my crystals. So for the next step, we are going to sew through the next A. We are going to pick up 12 of our B color. And we are going to sew through the A and through the two B's. And we are going to sew through the next A. We are going to pick up 11 B's. Our thread, it's exiting from the A. We are going to sew through the A and through the B. We are going to reinforce, so we are going to sew through the wire guardian, whip through the beads, and sew back again 2 or 3 times. Go ahead and do the same step on this side, and we are going to continue. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add my clasp, and I want to add it right here. We are going to close it. You can be done right now. The other thing I'm going to do for mine, that I'm going to grab a crystal, my round nose pliers, and I'm going to add one crystal on every end of my chain. So you're gonna go ahead and finish your necklace, and I'll be right back to show you mine. I am done with my video. I hope this tutorial was easy to follow along. If you like my videos, please subscribe to the channel, like the videos, and share them with your friends. Until next time, thank you.